So digital coaching fundamentals. Now, what is a digital coaching? Just understand. Digital coaching is a part of knowledge business, which itself is a subset of knowledge economy. People need your knowledge. What they need is the right form of way of doing it. And if you market, pack it in right manner, people are ready to consume. There's already a market there. You don't have to create a market. You have to put your products there. Okay. So when we make our digital product, what is called digital coaching. So digital coaching fundamentals. Now, what is a digital coaching? Just understand. Digital coaching is a part of knowledge business, which itself is a subset of knowledge economy. Digital coaching is a part of knowledge. All of you have so much of knowledge. What you need, people need your knowledge. What they need is the right form of way of doing it. And if you market, pack it in right manner, people are ready to consume. There's already a market there. You don't have to create a market. You have to put your products there. Okay. So when we make our digital product, what is called digital coaching. Second is why digital coaching has become so popular. When the time of an idea has come, nobody can stop. Just before like COVID, the idea of this digital coaching was started, and now it is like towards the mature. People now understand. So if you see, there is the component which has taken part, the high mobile speed internet. People can watch videos on mobile, penetration of digital, high volume, less individual cost. You have online payment adoption. India is a Vishwaguru in right now in fintech. The amount of online transaction happening in the world, number one is India, even surpassing China. You can understand how comfortable the Indian people is with online transaction, and that is a very good thing for digital coaches. Okay. Zoom and other video online tools are available almost free of cost. COVID accelerated the trend, you know that, and skill-based economy trend. All factors are coming together. Importance of social media, because right now in social media you can run ads as small as like 500 rupees a day, 1000 rupees a day. That is only possible because social media is there and people have accepted, and it is penetrated so deep. Okay, so you can run ads on Facebook, you can run ads on YouTube and Instagram, bypassing the big lords of broadcasting like TV and all those channels, right? So all the factors are coming together to make it very, very successful domain. And you guys are already having knowledge. You just need a path there to get your product out there and start having a certain amount of income from that channel, because this will not require your active involvement in the money generation. Okay. Third thing is why doctors and medical students should go for digital coaching. As I told you, store of knowledge. There is no lifetime requirement. I already told you. Source of passive income and rising trend. See, some people, there are two ways of doing it. Some people become influencers and then they monetize their influence through various things, okay, including coaching and courses. Other way is that we launch our courses first, our membership first, our things first, and then slowly build our influence, which suits in our domain. Okay, we cannot be 24/7 on social media, Instagram, putting videos, because if you generate an influence of 1 million followers, you need to be there 24/7, putting a lot of videos or interacting with people. A lot of things need to be done in the background, but we cannot do it. So for us, the better part is the second way, where we launch our product, slowly build a community, and then raise our influence. That is what we are doing, right? So knowledge business have few components: courses, coaching, consulting, and collaboration, which we have talked about. So courses we will be talking here, coaching we will be talking here, consulting you already doing, and these two, when you have these two, it will feed into your consulting. So you will see a rising lead generation, people acknowledging you, people understand, knowing you much before than you see them. So this will also give, and then when you are moderately famous, people will start coming towards you as a collaboration. Okay, people will start to, okay, we have this kind of academy, can you take few sessions here, we will become partners, all these things. So it keep coming to us also. So these are the 4 pillars which will help you in this game. Okay, fifth is like 7 types of businesses model and how we have progressed down the line. Very quickly, manufacturing was the first, like you manufacture something, right? Second is your distribution. So somebody manufacture in bulk, somebody takes it in a wholesale, so they're distribution based, and then somebody sell it in the shop, that is a retail. So this is a traditional model, right? Manufacturing, distribution, retail. Then the service industry comes. For example, you doctor, you are trading time with your money, right? Money. So your time with money. So that is where the problem is stuck. You cannot grow after a certain level because you have limited time. Then the franchisee come. Franchisee is it's a one way of scaling in the physical world. In the physical world, how I can scale. So here franchisee is like distribution of labor. So I can have a lot of people doing the same repeated business model which you are doing, and you are charging some royalty over it. Then aggregator platform, where you see Amazon, Flipkart, Zomato, they aggregate a lot of players into one, and they bring efficiency into the market, and they earn from that. And the last is the knowledge based business based on your personal branding. Okay, so from manufacturing to knowledge business, we are taking jump directly from service business to knowledge business.